sa vibration ay si Sir Barreto din. Siyempre, kilala niyo yun. Handle na naman ata lahat kayo nun. 3 beses ko naging prop si Sir Barrett. Lahat yun malala. Okay. So, introduction, mechanical vibration. Motion of a particle or a body which oscillates about a position of equilibrium. So, basically, yung vibration is oscillating from an equilibrium of oscillating from an equilibrium. So, continuous movement lang siya, moving back and forth, such as this. This is also a simple model for vibration, yung ating simple pendulum. So, the equilibrium position is yung upright. So, when you rock it to the side, you release it. So, continuous siya mag-swing. So, that is classified as a mechanical vibration. So, yung continuous na swinging niya, so it oscillates about a position of equilibrium. So, neglecting air resistance, continuous lang siyang gagalaw ng ganun. So, basically, ganun ang vibration. So, what are the categories of vibration? So, there are 3 categories. So, first is the degree of freedom. We have single degree of freedom and multiple degree. So, single point on the system to define its configuration. For the single degree, multiple degree requires multiple points to define its configuration or state. So, ito yung example niya for single and multiple degree. So, dito isa lang yung nag-determine ng kanyang movement. Dun sa pangalawa is multiple. So, but for this undergraduate course, we will only focus on single degree of freedom. Next, category degrees of freedom based on applied forces or based on restrictive forces. Based on applied forces, so we have free vibration and force vibration. So free vibration is usual dito is nag-apply ka lang ng velocity, dinidisplace mo lang siya. For the case of the pendulum kanina, in-offset mo lang siya or you move mo lang on the side, then binitawan mo. Yan. So wala kang force na ine-exert sa kanya. So meron lang is yung restoring forces such as gravity and forces, usually forces applied by the spring. So force vibration, external periodic force is applied to the system. So mahirap tong i-imagine. So paano ka mag-exert ng periodic force dun sa system natin? So ang pinaka-basic dito na applicable especially for us is motor. Motor yung nagpapatakbo sa pump, sa fans, sa turbine kasi. Turbine yung hindi. Output ang turbine. Pumps, compressors, and so on. Yan. So, yung motor, may naikot dun sa loob, yun yung periodic force natin. So, merong force na na-generate yung rotation niya, yun yung periodic force. Yan. Yun yung example ng force vibration. So, another is restrictive forces. Yan. So, as usual naman sa lecture is meron tayong actual and ideal. So, yung undamp, yun yung ating ideal. So, effects of restrictive force can be neglected such as friction. So, frictionless, walang air resistance, wala kang ano. So, for vibration, it means na yung displacement mo is walang napigil. So, continuous lang yung movement niya. For damp naman siya, solid decreases until a certain time the motion comes to a stop. So, ito yun na yung actual scenario na syempre pag yung pendulum, pag nag-swing siya at a certain point, titigil na siya. that is due to air resistance. So there is a force stopping the motion. So meron tayong friction dito. We would also analyze dito. So topics to be discussed. So again, we will only focus on single degree of freedom. Tapos yung combination of the undamped and damped, free and force. So undamped free, undamped force, damped free, damped force. Ito na yung topics. Basically, ito yung kanina na timeline natin. Okay. So yun na yung introduction. So, susalitin ko na yung oras dito sa online. So, ang isa sa maganda sa online is madaling mag-present ng video. So, present na lang ako ng video.
What is vibration? When an elastic body such as spring, a beam or a shaft are displaced from the equilibrium position by the application of external forces, they execute vibratory motion. When body particles are displaced by the application of external force, the internal force in the form of elastic energy are present in the body, tries to bring the body to its original position. Types of vibrations. There are 3 types of vibrations: free or natural vibration, forced vibration, damped vibration. Free or natural vibration. This is defined as when no external force acts on the body after giving it an initial displacement, then the body is said to be under free or natural vibration. The frequency of free or natural vibration is called free or natural frequency. It is observed that amplitude keeps on decreasing with respect to the time. Force vibration. When a body vibrates under the influence of external force, the body is said to be undergoing forced vibration. The external force is applied to the body as a periodic disturbing force created by unbalance. This has the same frequency as the applied force. Here it is observed that the amplitude remains constant with respect to the time. Damped vibration. When there is a reduction.
Yan. So, free, yan. So, dito is kinonsider yung classify siya into free, force, and damp. Similar naman din sa atin, meron lang free na force and damp and undamp, tapos undamp ng force. Yan. Tapos kung makikita nyo tong spring, ito yung pinaka-basic na model natin. So yung mga machinery natin, imo-model niya as a spring. So wala naman talagang spring sa mga machinery natin, usually. So yung mga components niya such as foundation, yung support niya, we model that as a spring na mataas lang ang kanyang K or yung kanyang spring constant. Yan. Tapos, so ito yung movement
natural
ng spring mass model natin. So when you pull yung mass, so ano yung gagawin nung spring? Hilahin niya pataas. So yun ay lalampas pa dun sa kanyang equilibrium position. So tataas siya at its maximum point, then ang gagawin ng spring is itutulak naman pabalik. Then ito yung kanyang motion. So amplitude is ito yung position niya. Itong nasa taas, ito yung position niya sa taas, then position niya sa baba. Tapos ito yung linya. Taas, baba, taas, baba, taas, baba, taas, baba. So, ang similar dito is yung sine wave. So, makakikita din kayo ng sine function dito. Actually, more on sine function yung ating analysis dito.
Vibration keeps on force vibration. is a periodic disturbing force created by
Ito
unbalance.
talaga yung
This has the
sine
same frequency as the applied force. Here it is observed that the amplitude remains constant with respect to the time. Damped vibration. When there is
Yan, pag may damper tayo, such as, yan. So, pwedeng liquid, yung damper, or etc., lubricants,
a reduction in amplitude over every cycle of vibration, the motion is said to be damped vibration. It is a
yan. So, pag may damper tayo, rapid yung kanyang pagbaba ng kanyang amplitude.
observed that the amplitude reduces abruptly with respect to the time. The free vibration is further classified into three types: longitudinal, transverse, and torsional. Longitudinal vibrations. In this, the particles of the shaft or disc moves parallel to the axis of the shaft. In this case, the shaft is elongated and shortened alternately, thus executing the tensile and compressive stresses alternately on the shaft. Transverse vibration. In this, the particles of the shaft or disc moves perpendicular to the axis of the shaft. Here the sift is straightened and bent alternatively, and hence bending stresses are induced in the shaft. Torsional vibrations. In this, the particles of the shaft or disc moves in a circle about axis of the shaft. Here the shaft is twisted and untwisted alternatively, and hence torsional shear stress is induced in the shaft. If you are new to ADTW.
So, as for the movement, siya ay more on focus tayo longitudinal, and parang isa lang yung torsional. So, another video. So, please repair dito sa yan. So, nakita nyo may mga formulas tayo dyan. Itong nasa baba. Yan. So, ano yung mangyayari? Ito, hinila pababa yung spring, yung mass natin. Tapos, hilahin ng spring pataas. So, magko-compress na yung spring. So, nandito siya sa amplitude na to. Hindi ko alam kung paano tanggalin tong part na to. Tapos, itutulak ng spring pababa. So, ito yung restoring forces natin. This is all classified as sa free vibration natin. Tapos, yun. So, yung continuous oscillation or repeated movement yun na back and forth or up and down or left or right. So, that is classified as vibration. Basically, ganun lang naman yung vibration. Tapos, it follows a sine wave. Meron ba dito? Wala palang sine function dito. Yan. So, na-imagine nyo naman, ano ba? Ang section nyo ba ay puro take 2? O meron take 1? Take 2 nyo na ba to?
Take 1 po.
Okay. May take 1 naman. No? So, if may take 1, kung take 1, yun. Ang discussion natin is pang take 1. Yun sa mga take 2, hindi, alam nyo na to. Yan. So, yan, na-imagine nyo naman yung spring mass model natin on how it vibrates. Basically, ganyan lang naman siya. Okay, so that's it for our discussion for today. May questions ba? Na-imagine nyo ba? Na-imagine nyo naman yung vibration. So, yung computational aspect, i-start na lang natin siya next week. Yan. So, for the assignment, kindly read about second order linear differential equations, since yun yung gagamitin natin dito. So, yung pagkuha ng roots, so given ka ng parang yung papalitan mo ng m, kung ganun yung ginawa nyo sa DE, kukunin mo yung roots, Yun yung solution dito. Okay? So, if questions, question on schedule, policies, ano? Okay?